So hello guys, this is Harshi from KAREEMM's YouTube channel. So in this video, I just gonna explain you how to enable two-factor authentication in Facebook. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. So firstly, you just open your Facebook app and click on these three lines. And now go to settings and privacy and again settings. In settings, just click on security and login. In security and login, just click on this two-factor authentication. Just tap on it and here is your choice. If you need text message, then you can enable it, or if you have any authenticator app, then you can simply click on it. So if you choose a text message, then you need to enter your mobile number. A OTP will be sent it to your number. So this is how you can enable two-factor authentication in your Facebook app. So thank you for watching.